I'm your knee, and I've got something to admit by it. Something doctors don't always explain about why I cause you so much pain.
I'm about 80% water, but after 45 I lose hydration fast. Once I dry out, I can't cushion properly anymore, and the bones start grinding together.
We're the sugar and fried food duo. Eat us often, and we may fuel inflammation pain, making your knee pain flare up after certain foods.
Time. Once you hit 40, I start taking about 1% of your collagen each year. By 50, that's around 10% of your joint cushioning gone.
I'm Water Flow, essential for healthy joints. Staying hydrated, especially before meals, helps support cartilage function and natural shock absorption. Take omega-3 with breakfast, drink water every 2 hours, and add turmeric twice a day. In 3 weeks, I'll stop hurting. And don't forget to subscribe.